Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning channel. Today our lesson is about preposition of place. Before you start the lesson, I want you to familiarize with the following topics as they form the base for this lesson. And those topics are nouns and verbs. I'll leave the links here for your reference. Okay, so now we are going back to the lesson prepositions. First, we will recall the base. What are prepositional words? Let's have a look at some of the examples for prepositional words like in, out, off, near, beside, between, and so on. What do you notice from these words? Exactly, they are usually short words. Prepositions usually act as a linking word in the sentence by connecting people, objects, time, and location. Prepositions form a relationship between noun or pronouns with other nouns, verbs, or adjectives in a sentence. Let's have a look at some of the examples. She lives a beautiful city. You can see this sentence sounds a bit weird. There's something missing in this sentence. You have the pronoun she, beautiful is the adjective, and a link is missing in between them, and that is preposition. So here the prepositional word in fits into this sentence, like she lives in a beautiful city, and by adding this prepositional words as a link between the pronoun and the adjectives, you bring complete sense to the sentence. Let's have a look at types of prepositions. Preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of directions. But today our lesson is about preposition of place, and let's look at this topic in detail. Preposition of place. Example for preposition of place are in, into, at, on, onto, out of, and so on. Let's have a look at some more examples. We will see how to use each word in proper context in the sentences. First, I'm going to explain you how we use the word in the sentences. In is usually used with cities, countries, states, regions, and so on. She lives in California. So here, in acts as a linking word to show the place of stay. In is used in places where you will be physically present like gym, park, garden, canteen, and so on. For example, let's meet in the gym. In is used with water bodies like sea, river, lake, pond, and ocean. There is more current in the river. So here, this word in is used in three different ways. Now, let's have a look at the word at in the sentences. At is used with places like malls, parks, theaters, museums. Example, I will meet you at the shopping mall. At is used for locating places like at the back of the class, at the top of the page. She is seated at the back of the class. Here, the word at is used to show the place. Now, let's come to another word, on. On is used with surface where something is kept or placed. I kept my watch on the desk. So here it's showing the place where something is kept. On is used with directions. The shop is on the left of the street. On is used with islands. Example, we see many animals and had a good time on Sir Banias Island. Preposition of place into. Into is used to show mobility from one place to another place, like Sam dives into the swimming pool. Preposition of place onto. Onto is used when something is placed on the surface by someone. For example, Sam puts the newspaper onto the desk. Out of. Out of is used when you are leaving or when something is being disconnected. Like, for example, I took the old clothes out of my closet. Well done. Now you have mastered the skills in preposition of place. Follow the links to learn the other types of prepositions. I'll leave the links here in the description box below. Also, visit our website friendforlearning.com where you can gain access to lots of worksheets, PPTs, and other videos. Thanks for watching Friend for Learning. Don't forget to subscribe it on YouTube. Thank you and stay safe.